Yo, 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 what it is, what's up? It's your girl, Nikki Nix, coming to serve you looks. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Oh My Gosh, Nikki, you're here again. It's your girl, at the Nix on the beat. I am really excited to do this video around this box. Try Beauty box gives you makeup products and skincare products that you can actually gain from. They also give you products that is easy to use for the everyday lover of makeup. So this February box is in collaboration with another beauty influencer called Porcelain. Come back to me. Let's go into the box. So when you get the box, it comes with a note of every single product that you got. The whole box is $34.99 Canadian dollars. This box actually came with this eyeshadow palette, which is the Suva Beauty Block Party eyeshadow palette, which I've been eyeing for a while. Suva Saffron palette, which is more for my girls who like doing all those simple nude bronzy looks. The Block Party costs $30. The Saffron palette is $35. The next on the list is the Luxie Beauty Flawless Eye Set, which costs $30. That is these eyeshadow brushes. Next on the list is the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Face Oil, which retails for $48, which is this. We have IB Beauty or EB Beauty Liquid to Matte Lipsticks in Berry and Naked. This is the lipstick. I got the shade Berry Berries. The last but not the least, you get the Beauty Restore and Detox Diva masks by Masquerade, $6 each. Well, here are the bad boys. I don't know if you can use it before makeup or after makeup. So let's start playing with the makeup. My primer. Let's see if we can use this Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Face Oil. Ooh, it's so pretty. The packaging is finer than me. I can't believe this. I never thought that would ever be possible. Luxurious multitasking oil that instantly hydrates and absorbs into skin. It has raspberry, meadow foam, evening primrose, and geranium oil, which work to smooth and replenish skin's natural moisture barrier. Skin is left looking more radiant, healthy, and supple. Let's see, how many drops again they say? Couple of drops. So couple means 2. 1, oh, 3 came out. Oh, it smells rich. It smells rich. I like how the applicator is. It smells like lemongrass, but it didn't give me the glow that I was actually looking for, so I think I'm just gonna add more. Okay, now I see the glow. It doesn't feel like heavy oil, but it is like really soft and silky on my skin. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is the one that I've been using of late, the shade Sable, but I'm adding this shade, the yellow undertone version, in the shade Tiramisu. I'm gonna mix the Tiramisu and the Sable, and then I'm gonna use the shade Tiramisu to blend into my skin. Like, I think this shade matches me perfectly. I just thought that with this Born This Way I won't need to mix again, but I guess they still ain't made a shade for me. Yeah, what do you think about this? This is the part that has been foundation and this is the part that wasn't. Do you guys think that I should just stick to the Sable, or you like this mix? Please put it in the comment box below because I really need the help. I've been looking for a name to call y'all, but I've decided that I'm gonna call you guys my best friends. I'm not perfect and it's evident clearly, but you guys still stick with me. You guys give me advice on what to do and what not to do. So yeah, I'm gonna call you guys my best friends from now on, and I'm really happy that you guys are my besties. So to conceal my face, I'm using the Born This Way concealer in the shade Mahogany. I learned this new technique from my baby girl Lydia Stanley. You guys should check out her YouTube channel and her Instagram. She is amazing and she does her concealer this way, and I feel like I want to try it out too. What I noticed is that she draws a straight line here, or maybe not a straight line, but it does look straight. Okay, I'm gonna draw my own to the side of my nose, although she doesn't do that, but Ovasabi has not killed me yet. Oh, she actually uses dots, I think, till she gets to the end of her face, like that. I'm gonna blend that in. So what I noticed is that she just blends these areas here, and then that's it. That's what I noticed. Like, she doesn't blend the whole concealer under the eye away. Okay, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 480 as my contour. Another thing that I noticed is that she puts the contour on the back of her hands first, and then she takes the beauty blender and uses it to carve her face instead of putting the contour directly. That way she has more control. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder in the shade Nutmeg, and I'm going to use this to set my face. But I literally just hurt my big toe, and I'm just like in a lot of pain, and I don't know if I can give you the energy that I started with, but I lied. I am hurting right now, but same energy, same me, same Nicks, peace. The first thing that I'm going to show you guys is they are amazing shades. As you can see, the colors are beautiful deep tones. My favorite definitely is Lemonade, Dancing Shoes, and Boombox, and I also kind of like Drunk in Love, but I have a lot of that shade. The Saffron palette, toned down and easy peasy for those of you who don't like too much stress. The brushes are really cute, very fluffy feeling. Ooh, I love this one. This is perfect for like the crease. I'm going with the shade Cinnamon. I'm going to use her as a transition shade. I'm going in with this Paprika shade, and I'm just going to use that to intensify the crease area. I'm going to use this brush here, the one that is a bit slanted. I'm going to go in with this shade called Clove. This brush I'm going to use so much, it's going to get tired of me. So I'm just going to focus this on my crease area right here. I'm just going to stop doing that because it's not coming out as cute as I thought it would. It's time for me to cut the crease. It's time for me to do the crease cutting of my eyelid. Now I'm going into my Block Party palette. I'm going to use Milkshade in the extreme front. Then I'm going to go in with Lemonade, make the middle end Boombox, and then finalize it with Dancing Shoes. I'm going to start off with Milkshake. Next, I'm going to add Lemonade. I'm going into that Boombox shade to apply Dancing Shoes. So now I'm gonna go in with the glitters for the eye. Yellow glitters, eyelash glue. I use a small angled brush, and I love using chunky glitters for this because it actually pops way more. Okay, so when it comes to glitters like this, I honestly like to go to the extreme front of my eye, which is the tear duct area, because when I wear the lashes, this one, all it just does is add a glittery aura, but when I push it here, it actually shines in the tear duct, which is beautiful. Come back to me, come back to me, come back to me, come back to me. I go in with my spoolie brush, and then I brush my lashes. I think we should also do it on top. What do you guys think? It's honestly just okay on the liner, Nicks. You don't have to do the most. Oops, it's too late. Already here doing the most. Okay, so for my bottom eye, I just used Younger Beauty Attitude gel liner in the shade 1. no, 02. So I'm gonna pop that in my waterline and slightly below my lash line. I like to go with my pinky finger and then just pull that down. I can blink and I can see that area of my face very, very well. Then I'm going to my lash line and I'm just smudging this in so I can get a lighter lash line area. So now that I'm done applying the white eyeliner, the first color that I'm going to use is Dancing Shoes. So I'm going in with one of the eye brushes, the dome one, patting it right at the end of my lash line. Just gonna dip in that a little bit more. I'm going in with the yellow lemonade shade and I'm just gonna apply that in the front part of my eye. And I'm going in with Boombox and I'm placing that in the center. So I'm going in with a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna use that to dust the excess from the bottom away. I feel like we look good. MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid in the shade Diamond Crumbles. It's such a beautiful bluish, whitish, holographic shade. And I'm just gonna apply that to my tear duct area to just glowify the area. I'm actually feeling myself, y'all. Candid Glow in the shade You Are. And I do the blush after the highlight so it can reduce how much highlighter I had applied before. And I also use the extra on the brush to warm up my face. Warmed up and fresh looking. So what lipstick am I using? I don't think it's going to look good with this eye color thing that I did. But I'm going in with that nude shade from Colored Raine. Come back to me. Come back to me. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and I'm just gonna go over this lipstick. Hi angels, so this is the finished look. I'm really impressed with how pigmented the eyeshadow palettes are. The skin work is amazing. Shout out to Lydia Stanley for her amazing technique. If you have not subscribed to my channel, like, you are wasting your own personal time, and that's not good. That's really not good for human beings nowadays. And make sure you hit that notification bell. I post videos every Friday now. And also follow me on Instagram at Nikes Canvas. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the love with your friends, families, enemies, and everybody in this world. Adios amigos, catch you another time. Peace. Come back to me. 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 Come back to me.